Yeah, a shout out to all the neighbors that haven't snitched on me so far at the police for my straight pipe exhaust, cause
my girl need a wine in the state. I need a house for the late. They told me I got to take, so I gotta take it all back. I told them I need my pay.
if you're my neighbor, I'm super sorry, and also not. I can't promise that it won't happen again. It probably will happen again. Oh bro, there's just no oxygen in this garage right now. There's just too much CO2 of that straight pipe exhaust. It doesn't have any filters or anything, so it's just pure CO2 that I'm inhaling, and not even fresh air or anything, man. It smells. Well, I actually like the smell, I can't lie. If you're my neighbor, I'm super sorry, and also not. I can't promise that it won't happen again. It probably will happen again. Yeah, a shout out to all the neighbors that haven't snitched on me so far at the police for my straight pipe exhaust, cause yeah, my neighbors know that this is a loud car. But ladies and gentlemen, I finally got some great news about the GTI and also some bad news about the GTI. The good news is that I finally found a company that could help me with diagnosing the whole problem, so I know what the problem is right now. I basically burned my clutch a little bit, not fully yet. It's a little bit burned right now, and that's why it keeps slipping. So I have to replace my clutch. That was something I knew, but then the other thing is I need to replace my mechatronic as well. So I need to replace the mechatronic that controls all the pressure and stuff like that, if I say it correctly, and also my clutch, and that is for shifting. I'm not sure if I'm saying everything correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Like I said in the other video, I'm just a dude that likes to work on his car, and it's not professional at all. I just like to work on my car, on my driveway, and in my garage right now. I'm not a professional, yeah? And that brings me to the bad news. So I went to a garage, or a specialist that could help me with my clutch problems, or at least diagnose the problems. They tried to scam me, bro. I don't even think they checked my car that well, to be honest. They just plugged in an OBD case, just like a friend of mine did, and then deleted all the fault codes, like the same codes that my friend deleted as well, and that was it. Then we went for a drive, and he said, yeah, your clutch is burned, or half burned, not fully burned yet, and your mechatronic has to be replaced as well if you replace the clutch. So I was like, okay. And then I went back to the office, and at the office the guy behind the desk said to me like, oh yeah, I see the problems, this and that, and with all the problems combined with original parts, it's gonna cost you 3,600 euros.
3,600 euros.
I could fucking get almost a whole new car out of that. Like, what the f***? He tries to f***ing scam me with that, man. So I'm not gonna replace my clutch at that company. Just don't go there if you knew where it was. Just don't go there. They try to f***ing scam you, bro. So I had to pay f***ing 90 euros as well for that diagnose. That was kinda bullshit. So I'm not even 100% sure of all the problems, but I'm kind of 99% sure that I have to replace my mechatronic and my clutch. So I'm probably gonna replace my mechatronic and my clutch. I'm gonna go for an upgraded clutch, one that can handle stage 3 power as well. That is maybe something for in the future, but I think stage 3 is kind of far away now, because this whole problem is gonna cost me a lot of money, man. So what am I gonna do now? Well, I got in contact with a few Volkswagen specialists that could replace my clutch and could also install a upgraded clutch that can handle more power, like I said. I'm not sure which company I'm going to yet, because I'm just contacting everyone to get a quote, and then the one with the best price option or the best quality, I'll pick that. I haven't picked a company yet, but for now I don't need a diagnose anymore. I'm just gonna search for a company that can replace the clutch, and I already found a few companies also because of you guys, so thank you for that. I haven't decided yet because I need all the prices and jobs they can do for the car, and then I have to decide which one is the best. And then when I finally find a good company that can help me, I think it should take around 2 weeks till it's fixed, because the waiting list is quite long for things like that apparently. But I can say you one more thing. When this car is fixed, I'm starting a second channel. Yes, you heard that correctly, I'm starting a second channel. I'm not telling you anything about it yet, but just know I'm starting a second channel when this car is fixed.
Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night. Said I'm good to go, only if the bag right. Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right. Told her how I'm living, welcome to the fast life. Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night. Said I'm good to go, only if the bag right. Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right. Told her how I'm living, welcome to the fast life. It's the life I chose, living on the road. Let's go take a trip, got a couple shows. We don't even vote, but you know we taking polls. I don't ever stay in place, girl, I gotta go. Get my bag though, I don't even got a pack though. They don't even know me, come and leave through the back though. Asphalt, they been living hella fast though. When they hit the brakes, that's when I go and hit the gas though.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can finally reveal to you guys where I have been working on for the last 9 months. I've been keeping it secret to everyone, to the people around me, to my subscribers, to everyone that is watching my videos. I can finally reveal to you guys that this is where I've been working on for the last 9 months. It's a clothing brand named TRAPAGAS, and it's fully in the automotive style, as you guys can see, and I'm so proud of myself basically. I think I can say that because I've been doing everything alone, and now it's finally the day where I can review everything to you guys and show you guys where I've been working on so hard for the last 9 months. Well, as you guys can see, I got 4 pieces of clothing, including this piece I got on right now. We got 4 different designs, 2 that look kind of the same. This one right here is I call it the Stance t-shirt. It has a BMW E30. I don't know if I can name it for legal reasons to put it on the t-shirt, but yeah, it basically got to do with the Stance culture and all around it. It got the nice TRAPAGAS logo on top. The nice stanced out BMW E30 with the nice custom text and everything. And then down the bottom we got the TRAPAGAS logo again. From the front it's basically like the t-shirt I got on right here. It got a TRAPAGAS logo in white, and I basically got the same piece on right now, but then in white. As you guys can see, it has black letters and black details instead of the white that are on the black t-shirt. If I move on to the next one, we got the turbo t-shirt. I'll call this the turbo tee. It has a nice picture of a huge turbo on there. I think I can't name the brand of the turbo for legal reasons. But yeah, you got a nice big picture of there of the turbo with, of course, the full TRAPAGAS logo on top and with a little bit of text under the turbo. Also, this one from the front, it got those white details and everything. It is a black t-shirt again with white details, same as this Stance t-shirt. And I also, of course, got it in white. but then with the black details. Again, TRAPAGAS logo, picture of the turbo, text down below, and again on the front with the black logo instead of the white on the black t-shirts. So the brand that I tried to create here is a streetwear automotive clothing company. It got all automotive details, it's all in the automotive style and all automotive design and stuff like that on the t-shirts as a print. It's also a streetwear brand, like I said, so the t-shirts are a little bit oversized, but not too much. The sleeves are not too long, as you guys can see. It fits perfectly. It's right in between, just how it should, in my opinion. Yeah, it is also the perfect size, yeah, for a length. It's not too big, it's not too small. Like, don't look at my ass, but yeah, it fits perfectly, man. It fits great, and I like the whole fitting. It fits me perfect. It fits other people perfect as well. Because I tried those t-shirts on a few friends of mine as well. They were the only persons to know. So for the fitting, it fits a little bit bigger than a normal t-shirt. But like I said, I'm 1m92, 6.4 feet, and I'm wearing a large. So keep that in mind if you're interested in one of these t-shirts. Just look back at this video or go to my website www.trapagas.com. So by the time you're seeing this video, the website is officially online. If you just want to check it out, it's also okay. Just check out the website and you'll see more information on how I created this brand and how it all started. You can also find information about that. Well, I'm not going to, and I will never force you to buy anything of these. If you just want to support me or check out the website, that's okay as well. I'll still appreciate everything that you guys do for me. But if you want to buy a piece, I got worldwide shipping. That means that I ship to every country that is on this planet. For example, the North Pole, Africa, the whole Europe, I don't know, Iceland, name another country, the USA, Canada. You name it, I ship to every country that is on this planet. Maybe if you ask me nicely, I will even send some packages to space. Well, you don't have to worry if you want to buy something. I got worldwide shipping. I got you, man. You also don't have to worry about the size. I got almost every size for every design. I got small until 2XL. That means that I got small, medium, large, XL, and 2XL. If you want to know if they're still available, just check out the website, click on the product you want, and then you can see if the size is still available for you. And I don't know if I made enough pieces for everyone, so you maybe have to hurry up, maybe don't. Just check out the website if you want to know if your size is still there or if the whole product is still there. Well, fun fact about the t-shirts. As you guys can see, you don't have an annoying label in your neck that is being annoying. It's just printed on there and it won't come off either or anything after washing it. I found that way nicer than a annoying label, so it's just flat like the logo on front. You got also the logo on there with the size that you got on there as well. Fun fact, this is also how your package is getting delivered. I will still send it to you guys with a whole plastic bag over there. Or a whole box from paper. Yeah, it depends where you live basically. Yeah man, that's I think everything you need to know about the t-shirts. I'm super happy that I'm finally taught you guys and can tell the people around me that I've been working so hard on this and it's finally here, man. The website is online and it's ready to be something great. Like I said, I will never force you guys or anyone else to buy anything from the shop. From TRAPAGAS.com. Your support is enough, honestly. Like, if you want to support me or support the car build, support the channel, like, you can buy anything from the shop only if you want, but I will never force you to do anything. Like, your support is enough. You guys watching this video, that's honestly enough for me. I can't thank you guys enough for the support and yeah, I just want to say thank you guys. Yeah, I really think I'm gonna quit talking now and just enjoy the whole process of making something beautiful out of TRAPAGAS. Thank you guys.
Shining on the screen, I'm on that bro Mac. Boy, a daily driver, yeah, that shit's gone fully matte black. Ain't about that classic bro, I got that fully gold black. Shout out to his daddy, think he fresh, but yeah, that shit's whack.